Located along the Fayette and Clayton County line in scenic northeast Iowa, lies a hidden gem for outdoor enthusiasts. This roughly 100.40-acre surveyed hunting and recreational farm offers a rare opportunity to own a truly diverse and secluded piece of whitetail country. With convenient access off Acorn Road from the southwest, you'll discover rolling hills, mature timber, thick cover, and water features that create the perfect year-round habitat for trophy deer and turkey. The property boasts a newly constructed, stocked pond, a year-round creek, and several natural springs, all drawing wildlife and adding to the farm's natural beauty. Strategic tree plantings, topographic changes, and natural travel corridors make this a haven for mature bucks, proven by trail camera and harvest photos. Northeast Iowa is famous for its quality whitetails, and this land has everything they need to thrive. Large, mature walnut trees add significant long-term value, whether you choose to harvest now or let them appreciate for years to come. An established internal trail system makes exploring and hunting the property effortless, giving you access to every corner of this secluded retreat. And for those seeking more, an additional 94.74 surveyed acres is available directly to the north, creating nearly 195 contiguous acres of premier hunting and recreational ground, a true wildlife sanctuary rarely offered in this region. Whether you're looking for a premium hunting retreat, a private nature escape, or an investment-grade property, this Northeast Iowa farm checks all the boxes. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact local land specialist Matt Tobin at 563-457-7390.